October 2020. Here's Multiojankatu 8 stakes I, and also asunto on Multisilta. And it's Multisilta poista, I mean. It's a bottom-driven ValmetSchlieren with a 1972 with 6 floors, 2050 years old in 2022, with the serial number is VS3086. It will be inspected in the next show 2021. Luckily it's still open today, but it'll be locked up soon. The capacity is 4 birds, so 320 grams. We still only have one more stickers to film.
Yeah.
All of them, there are 10 and they're still original. The first 6 ones are still, well, they're from earlier in 1972. Well, these four other ones are from late 1972.
Yeah. Spektiittaakin vai meidän temppaikka.
Yes. Like I just came here because they're gonna lock this soon.
Yeah.
Let's go to the last one. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's